Nestor, up in the tower, the new tower, up top. Hey, at the cross too. There you go. Up in the new building to the left.
Which floor?
Top and bottom. Top and bottom. Okay. Watch out, the 2300, they're in there.
Say when. Yeah, I'll do my best. Who's got high windows? Who's got the high windows? I'll see the high windows. I'll take the low windows. Go! Move on it! Move on it!
Hey Kyle, you see our guy to the right? Our two guys over there to the right? Two of our guys are over there. Okay. He got destroyed. Hey, I'm gonna climb up.
Up here?
Up there.
Okay, say when.
Go. We're clear. Hey, let's make our way. We need to look at the Spartan Tower, see what we got in there. Anybody? We need to make our way in there and look down so we can clear them out. What do you see? What do you see?
I don't see anybody on the bottom.
What about on top?
I don't see anybody on top. I don't see anybody.
Right. Let's make our way inside this little place right here. Nobody's in there. I hear people in the bottom though. Hey, top of Spartan, top of Spartan, top of Spartan.
Where?
He's dead in Spartan.
Did you get him?
No, somebody else got him. There's still more guys up there though, I hear them.
Oh! Face shot! Ah!
Heck yeah.
Oh! I watched that too. With the broken pistol.
Well, I need to reload.
Okay. I don't know. Not our guys. I can see them if they come up. They're in the bottom of Cedar.
That is our guy.
It's our guy?
Yeah.
You can see him?
Green on the bottom? Yeah. Alright.
Good. I'm gonna go down. Hey, I'm coming down. Alright.
You want to go for it?
What are we doing? What are we gonna do?
Yeah,
Push.
get that tire that's right there beside those boxes, to those boxes. There's one or two guys on the bottom of
I can hear 'em. I
on
can
the
hear 'em
bottom
down
of
there.
Cedar Point.
Yeah, I'm gonna move to the boxes and then I'll double back after
Okay.
I go try it. I'm gonna go 3, 2.
Pull out as soon as you start going. Yep.
Hit!